I'm gonna need to start fixing myself sooner rather than later.
Where are you at, baby?
Jamaica!
What up, fam? So we are headed to the dive shop. I'm gonna get some diving in today. Just wanted to kind of show you guys the daily routine of what it's like for us here. That's our view. That's my jagoff brother.
Go show you how to line fish.
Yeah, I give him all the lionfish.
I literally pointed out one of your biggest line.
One of the biggest,
Yes,
not
you
the
did.
biggest. Bye-byes.
Bye.